Subaru Technica International sets the 2022 Tokyo Auto Salon ablaze with an introduction of an EV concept, the STI E-RA. Headlining the booth is the Subaru STI E-RA concept. It's part of the company's STI E-RA Challenge Project, a near-future STI motorsport study. It aims to gain experience and training of new technologies in the world of motorsports in this carbon-neutral era. Powering the STI E-RA concept are 4 high-torque motors, 1 motor position near each of the 4 wheels, enabling Subaru to employ a 4-wheel torque vectoring technology. These motors were developed and supplied by Yamaha, with a total power output of 1,070 horsepower drawing juice from a 60 kWh lithium-ion battery pack. In addition, we'll see the STI E-RA at the Nürburgring from 2023 onward, with a goal to set a lap time of 6 minutes 40 seconds.
लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ताकि हम ऐसे ही अच्छे वीडियो लाते रहें।